Well, good morning, everyone. It's Jerry Hart here, and welcome to the latest, the May 2011-2020 Practical Tax Update webinar. HMRC's toolkits. These, of course, cause plenty of controversy, and they've now launched a massive number of toolkits in the last couple of weeks. The idea, as you may recall, is that the Revenue was saying is that wouldn't tax advisors like to be aware of common errors that HMRC are always seeing, so that we can make sure that we don't make the same stupid mistakes ourselves. The trouble is that that in itself is rather a patronizing message, and some of the material in the toolkits, not all, but some of it, is patronizing in the extreme. And you look at it and you think, well, why on earth would you think that I could ever make a basic error? So let's just run quickly through the topics. We've got capital allowances for plant and machinery, which I've already mentioned. We've got one on capital gains tax for land and buildings, and a brand new one on capital gains tax for shares. The vexed issue of is expenditure capital or revenue. They look at the regime for chargeable gains for companies, and also the position on company losses, and on directors' loan accounts, which we touched on before, toolkits. But an important announcement made by the Revenue on changing the way they handle incoming mail from you when you want to make an inquiry into your client's tax returns. Usually that will be basically, where is the tax refund? The changes are quite important, and they tell us as an opening point that they receive millions of items of post each year in relation to people asking a question on the tax return that you've filed. And to manage this process more efficiently in the future, they intend to scan incoming post. This is going to be introduced in phases during the current tax year.